Hello, Tulshiram. Good morning. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. You applied for a front-end position, right?
Yes, sir.
Then tell me about yourself, Tulshiram.
My name is Tulshiram Pandhares. I'm native. My native place is Jamkhed, that is in Jalna district. I have completed my graduation in BSc in year 2014.
Okay. Tell me about your previous organization, on which technology you work, on which domain.
Uh, Sir, I have previous work experience in healthcare industry. I have worked as a biomedical engineer in healthcare. That is, we are providing medical equipment to the hospitals and sales plus service and maintaining that machines, software plus hardware.
Oh,
Yes.
then why are you changing your current job?
Sir, I had left that job in 2014, so still I do not have any work, and I have to decide to change the field. That field is not, I think so, is better for me, so I choose this one.
Okay. Then how much rate yourself in HTML, CSS, JavaScript out of 5?
I think in the scale of 5, I recommend myself as a 4. Not less than 3 is a common and 5 is perfect. So I think 4.
In all three?
Yes, sir.
Okay. First, we go with HTML and CSS, then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Then tell me, what is the HTML?
HTML, the hypertext markup language, is the main meaning, and HTML is used to style up the HTML page, building a web pages, website, and web applications. For that purpose, HTML is used.
Okay. Tell me, what is the difference between inline element and block level element?
Inline elements are every time started at the same line. Block level elements are started at the new line. Block level elements takes the width that is available on that overall the width they are taken, but inline elements do not take that. They take the width that they need only. Means block level elements take whole the length. They stretches left, right, and then combines it. They acquire the whole length. But inline element just take the length they need.
And okay, no problem. Then tell me, what is the difference between display none and visibility hidden?
Display none means when we apply the CSS display none on any element, then there should not be display on the UI, but they not available on the UI. When we use visibility hidden, that is not displaying the UI, but they are available on the page. In the page, sorry, they only hide.
Okay. What is the box model?
Every HTML element is considered as a box model. Means box model contains first thing is content, second one is padding, then border and margin. Padding means content means the main element, main content of the HTML element, and then padding means the area between the space between the border and content. The padding means the separator between space between the sorry, border means the separator between the margin and the padding, and margin means the area occupied by the HTML element outside its border.
Okay. Then tell me, what is the box sizing?
Box sizing, box, box sizing width and length, for calculation width and length of the box. I think so.
Excuse me, can you repeat?
I just can't remember. Soul, something. Box sizing, the by default box sizing content box.
Okay, no problem. Then what is the key difference between HTML element and tags?
HTML elements, the HTML elements means if we use h1 is a tag in between the start tag and end tag. The data in between these two tags is HTML element, and only the h1 is the tag in angle bracket. Yes.
Okay. Then what is the purpose of doc type?
Doc type is for the declaration of the page, which HTML version we are using for that HTML declaration to use. Doc type HTML we are used for declaration of the HTML page. HTML, sorry, version. Doc type declaration we use for.
What are the input elements in HTML?
Input elements.
Yes.
Input. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Then what is the difference between EM and I tag?
EM means emphasize tag. It is literally italic, and I means for italic the word. That is the use for style. Means if you want to make some words italic, then we use italic tag. And for emphasize means same literal italic type words. Emphasize.
Yes, both are using same purpose.
Same purpose. Yes.
But what is the difference between them?
For styling, I think so.
Okay, you can check after the interview. Okay,
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Then tell me, what is the attributes?
Attributes are used to give additional information about HTML element. It is used to give additional information about HTML element.
Okay. Then what is the float?
Float is used to how HTML element floats. For that purpose, float property is used. Left, right. For that purpose, it decides how elements are float.
Okay. What are the list in HTML?
There are two types of list in HTML. One is unordered list and another is ordered list.
Okay. Just share your screen and show me. Create one list, but starting with the Roman number, capital Roman number.
Okay,
Show
sir.
me.
Sir, order list, unordered list, Roman number, na? Sorry. Sir, Roman and number.
Just only Roman.
Okay, sir. Only Roman.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Open the HTML index.html file.
Yes, sir.
Copy these 4 li. Copy paste.
Okay.
Again. Times. Yes.
Okay.
Copy and paste.
Next, yes, sir.
In same way.
Okay. In same way.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Now listen carefully. I want to red color. I want to red color to each even li. How to achieve it? Show me.
Each even li.
Yes.
Okay. So, these are 4 different types. So, okay. Sorry, sir, something missing. Just can't understand.
Okay.
I tried it, but I just can't just jumble all things.
You can try it after the interview.
Okay.
Okay.
Sir. Okay. Okay, sir.
Then tell me, how can we club 2 or more rows or columns into a single row or column in HTML?
So that's why I have to create a table.
Yeah, then show me.
I can't understand. Uh, yes, sir.
Okay, listen carefully.
Yes,
How can we club two
yes.
or more rows or columns into a single row or column in a HTML?
Using row sprint call Spencer.
Then show me one example.
Okay.
Okay. Remove the below TRs and copy the about TRs.
Also. Okay. Okay, sir.
Otherwise, it's waste of time.
It gets, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Okay. Then show me.
3. Okay. Just a minute. Which one, sir? Rose pen calls me from.
You can choose anyone.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Just show me one.
Okay.
And one more thing, something is missing in table. Okay. You can check after the interview. Just show me how to club two or more rows and columns.
Okay, sir. Rose pen or no?
First, save it, man.
Sorry, sir. Sorry. Is that it? Yeah, itu pen. Kira itu. Iklan adalah rose pen. or now. So,
Save and refresh it.
yes, sir.
Okay, you try it after the interview. Then tell me, in how many way can we position an HTML element?
Position. 5 ways.
Can tell me?
Static, uh, then relative, then fixed, and absolute, and uh, sticky.
And by default positioning?
Static.
Static. What is mean by sticky position?
Sticky, it is the hybrid combination of relative and fixed position. Fixed position.
Okay. Then tell me what is mean by specificity?
Specificity. Uh, it is used in selectors. I think universal selector, ID selector, class selector. I just can't remember the exact words for that. But in order, the importance means specificity is, I think, sir. The more important is specificity is more.
Okay. You can check after the interview. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which type of advanced selector we use in CSS?
Selectors.
Which type of advanced selectors we use in CSS?
Seal.
You heard
Sorry,
about
sir.
combinator, attributes, and pseudo
Attribute selectors, pseudo element, and pseudo class
class.
selectors.
Yes. Can you explain one by one in briefly?
Simple. Sir, can't understand. Oh, lots of jumble.
Excuse me.
I have lots of jumble. I just confused. Over depletion.
No problem. Then we'll start on JavaScript. Okay.
Okay, sir.
What data types are there in JavaScript?
There are two data types, primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types are non-object and non-reference, and non-primitive data types are object and a reference base.
Can you elaborate it?
Non-primitive data types are string, boolean, numbers, null, undefined, and primitive data types are non-primitive data types are object.
Okay. Then
What, sir?
array, function.
Yes.
No problem. Okay. Then what is the function?
Function. Sorry, sir.
What is difference between undefined and not defined?
Undefined means we can declare a declaration but not declare a value or not assign a value to it. That is undefined. And not defined means we cannot yet declare a declaration.
Okay. What is the hoisting?
Hosting means all the variables in the scope in this page are get shifted to the top of the scope.
I'm not getting it.
Means all the declarations in the page are get shifted at the top of this scope.
Can
Whatever
you
we
sh-
are
can you show me
declare.
one example?
Now this we are declare a declaration in this global scope. This is a global scope, and what from where anywhere from the scope we can access it. If we are declare this anywhere in the scope, we I think so console. Now it shows the value of x is undefined because variable x is declared in this scope. What if you console it before before a declaration? There also be it gets shifted at the top of the page or scope. Only declaration, not its value.
Okay. Then what is the scope?
Uh, this there are three types of scope. This one is global scope, another one is functional, and third one is block scope. Scope means whatever we are now doing these things are in this page. This is a scope. From overall all the pages, we can access the value of x anywhere in the page or in this scope.
Okay. Then what is the object?
Object. Sorry.
Okay. What is the array?
Array were displaying it by using square brackets.
Yes, I know. But what is mean by array?
Array Java, I think so JavaScript method. Array is a method of JavaScript.
Can you show me one example of array? Array constructor method, array literal method. One example of each. One example of
Array,
array literal method. One example of array constructor method.
array literal and array constructor.
Array constructor method.
Sir, I think so. Variable. Okay. Array constructed and literal. I forgot that, sir. Sorry.
Okay. Now you create a one array. Then tell me how to print 8 number in console. Only
Okay.
8.
Okay. Only 8 number.
Yeah. Okay. You can try it after the interview.
Lots of confusion, sir.
Okay. Then suppose I want to print number from 1 to 15 number, one by one, one by one. How to achieve it?
Okay.
By using JavaScript.
Using by for loop.
Then show me.
Only
1 to
1 to
15.
15, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay.
But it
Okay, sir.
start from 0. Listen carefully each and every question.
Okay.
What
Okay,
I
sir.
say.
Sorry.
Then next question is what is the quotient?
Sir, sorry.
Okay, no problem. Okay, Tulsiram, done from my side. Do you have any question for me?
No, sir. I just want to say I'm just under depressed so much because this is the first time to face anyone.
No problem.
So there is a
Just chill. Don't worry about it.